newest of the Walt Disney World DVC resorts, and this is the lobby. It's actually on the second floor of the building instead of the first floor. If you want to take the buses to the parks, this is where you would go, out the front of the building. So right over here is the gift shop. There's a lot of Riviera Resort merch in here and some cute DVC merch. Riviera Resort has a lot of my favorite artwork here, and you can actually buy it downstairs. Okay, that is the gift shop. Right next to the gift shop is a little cafe. It's actually called Le Petit Café. A few places to sit. And that's basically everything that you would need on the second floor. There is a little like library area, which is really fun. I always love libraries. Downstairs in this resort, there is also like a little community hall. And that again, just like at the other DVC resorts we visited, is a little place where you can go get out of the rain if it is raining, do some activities. Some of them are free, some are paid, but they've always got like movies going on and little activities to do. Let's go take a look at that. This is the event room, recreation room. So here's a little list of the paid activities here today. Looks like they've got trivia on Sundays and Monday nights, and the Voyagers Lounge, which was upstairs. Ooh, Star Wars and Marvel knowledge, nice. This is something that's kind of cool. They've got a lot of the movie posters from recent cartoons, but they're in different languages. I love it. It's so cool. It's fun to see what it is in the different languages. There's a beautiful painting of the Riviera Resort. All right, here is the fitness center. There are several, well, 3 treadmills, a couple of ellipticals. There's a bike here. A rowing machine, which I always like to see. Looks like a little Mickey hat up there, doesn't it? So a good fitness center with lots of amenities. And then here is water bottles as well as cool towels. This direction is where you would fill up your refillable drink cup. This is also like the dining area for this hotel. It's really not bad. There's a fun floor in here, kind of like it. Anyway, it's a little place to buy just like just grocery stuff. And then here's, they actually have Coke freestyle machines here, which is super fun. Again, the same offerings, tea, coffee, and then sodas. And then here is the sitting area for Okay, surprise, surprise, I found another drink location. Now this one is not the Coke freestyle machine, but there are still lots of options over here for drinks just right outside the pool. And here's a little, it's called the Riva Bar. DVC Resort is located right on one of the skyliner lines. So it's got access to the skyliner, which you can see right over there. Some of the amenities they have here is a bocce ball court, which is cool. I haven't seen that yet at any of the other DVC resorts. So that is right here. And then over this direction, we have some lovely seats right next to the lake. This over here, you can see that's Caribbean Beach Resort. We have Giant Connect 4 here. And then, I don't know what this game is called, but it's a fun one. So this game where you take the little balls and you try and throw it across to the set of three. Somebody tell me in the comments what this game is called because I cannot remember. And then here we've got cornhole here on this little grass area. And then back here is giant chess, which is a favorite of my kids. Get a little closer, there's somebody playing. So that's there. Now, let's go this other direction and take a look at the pool. Now, at most DVC resorts, this included, there are several pool areas. They call the smaller ones quiet pools, and then they have a main pool area, which is what we're going to see right now. The main pools usually have some sort of a slide and hot tub in the DVC resorts. If you go to the lower level resorts like the All-Stars, they do not include a hot tub and pool. A hot tub and the water slide. Just the pool. All right. And as with all of the Disney World resorts, there are free life jackets here. Ooh, this is nice. Is this a gelato? Sorbets. Okay, I had no idea this was here. I didn't see it last time I was out. Thank you. Sorbet machines! Awesome. Actually, gelato mostly, but also sorbet. All right, here is the pool area. This is a zero entry right here. Looks like it goes 4 feet over that direction. Lots of places to sit. There's the gelato cart. Oh, look how cute that is. It's like a bike cart. Love that. Okay. So there's the pool. Here is the water slide here in this tower. It is raining today, but hopefully we will be able to get in to show you that slide soon. Again, right on the river. And so this pool does not get very deep. It looks like the deepest it goes is about 4 feet. The quiet pools do go a bit deeper than that. And then over this direction is the baby small child area. And it is themed after Fantasia. It looks like a splash pad. It's also got some smaller slides. Let's see if we can go in there actually. I'm on the wrong side. But that's so fun. Lots of cool water features. Several kid slides, smaller kid slides. Let's see if we can get in here. I gotta be smarter than the gate. Okay. Oh, yeah, this is cool. So you've got the Fantasia elephant up on top and the dump bucket. It does not dump that much, which is nice. So you don't get completely soaked. But that is fun. So on the other side, there's an open water slide, and then over here is like a smaller tube slide. It's basically very similar to the large tubes, or not tube slide, but like you don't ride a tube on it, but it's an enclosed slide. That's what I mean by tube slide. Now that is cool. So that's fun. I haven't seen that at any of the other Disney resorts. Well, not this to this extent. So.
Hello, Raven. Slide number 1. Woo! Not that color. Bro, it's so slow. Oh no. Ah! Ow, ow, ow. What? Yo, this is
Here is the very tiny hot tub right now. It looks like it's out of order. There are a lot of covered seats here as well as open seating. Lots of good places to sit. So there you have the pool area. All right, this here is one of the quiet pools. And it does not, it has a pool, it does not have any of the water slides or anything. Would probably be a better pool for, like lap swimming and stuff like that. So there is that. There are stairs on the one side. I do not see the depth on here. Let me see if I can find it. It's way overfilled because of the rain. It is 3 feet on this side. It does look like it gets deeper down there. And then over here is a hot tub. So if you prefer not to come and do slides and things like that, this is a perfect place for you. It's a lot quieter. And most of the time as we've come through, there have not been many people at this pool. And it is actually right across the grassy area from the main pool. Okay, more things to see. Right over here is a beach. Got some beach chairs and some actual sand there, so that's another fun place to be. Probably not in the rain, but you could. And right up again by the river. I guess maybe it's a lake. Anyway. So yeah, cool beach area there. Let's go take a look at the skyliner now. The skyliner over here is not on the hub directly. That's over there at Caribbean Beach. But we do have a stop here at Riviera in between the hub and on the way to Epcot. And we took the skyliner to Hollywood Studios this morning. And they do leave some cars open at Riviera so that you're not fighting to get on in the morning. They opened the skyliner about 7 o'clock this morning to get on, and then if you want to go to Hollywood Studios, you do have to go to the hub. It was a little bit busier at the hub because at the hub all of the Art of Animation Pop Century Resort is coming in there, as well as Riviera. So then the other thing from Riviera is going to Epcot, and it's a straight shot to Epcot from here. There is a running trail around the Riviera, and there is the map for that. And let's head over to the skyliner. So basically, it's right out the back of the resort. You go in one direction to head towards the hub and Hollywood Studios, and then around the back side is where you would get on to go to Epcot. Since they've opened, they have improved, and they are actually a viable transportation to the parks. And in a lot of cases, they do not run buses to those parks as well unless the skyliner is down. So your skyliner may in some cases be your only option from here to get to Epcot or Hollywood Studios. They do have buses running to the other parks. So here is the entrance for the Hollywood Studio bus. Skyliner. And then way over there is the entrance to the Epcot Skyliner. So there is that. And then coming on over here to the back of the hotel. This is a really fun little arch over here. It has, again, some beautiful artwork because at the Riviera, the artwork is just really cool. I wanted to say stunning. I don't know if It's really stunning, but it is cool. I really like it. So let me show you this area here. They have these murals, and they are tile. Let me see if I can show you up close. They are tile murals, see here. And they go all the way up and over. That one's super cool, Peter Pan. And then down this direction, there is another one, and it is a Rapunzel mural. Very beautiful. Let me show you that. There is also just a quick note here, we were able to see the fireworks at Epcot from our room. So that is the end of our tour of the Riviera Resort. Thanks for joining us. Please subscribe if you would like to see more room tours or tips and tricks for visiting Disney. I do post at least once a week, and I post a short every day. You can find on there some decorations as well as some little trivia games like Where Are We in Disney and things like that. So we will see you again soon.